Starting a non-toxic lifestyle sounds great until you realize just how many products you use every single day. And then suddenly you're like, wait, do I need to replace everything? It can get overwhelming really fast, and decision fatigue is a real thing. I know that I certainly felt that when I first got started. So to help you guys out and to help lessen the feelings of overwhelm and confusion, I'm going to share what products that I use every day. So grab yourself a cup of tea or some hot water, and let's dive right into my non-toxic swaps that actually work. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Marissa. I am a pharmacist and health coach who is very passionate about holistic living and sharing that with others. Holistic living is taking a whole body approach to health and wellness. It's making intentional choices with food, movement, community, purpose-filled work, products we use in our home and on our body, faith, mindset, and finances. In my last video, I shared tips on getting started with non-toxic living, or what I really like to follow, which is low-tox living, meaning that we are trying to lessen our daily exposure to toxic chemicals, but we are not trying or aiming to be perfect with this because perfection doesn't exist. You don't need to do this all overnight. In fact, I don't recommend that. That can be overwhelming and expensive. Instead, what I recommend is what I did myself, and that's the ditch and switch method, which means that as one product runs out, you ditch it and switch it, hence replace it, with a healthy alternative. The speed at which you ditch and switch is completely up to you and what you feel comfortable with. You are in the driver's seat here, and it is completely okay to take your time with this, or you can move at a much quicker pace. It has taken me 6 years to get to where I am now with low tox living, and I am still making progress. So as we go throughout this video, please keep that in mind, and I'm going to be sharing all of the non-toxic products that I currently use, because this way you can pick and choose which products you'd like to get started with or choose for your next product switch. The first thing that I did when I got started was buy a bundle of essential oils from Young Living, and it came with a diffuser. This was a strategic purchase for me because when I learned about essential oils, I realized that they can be used for so many purposes. Getting one bundle of 12 oils helped me replace air fresheners, candles, perfume, body mist, linen sprays, dryer sheets, cleaners that reduce sticky residues, and many other products that contain synthetic fragrances like scented Epsom salt or even massage oils. For those types of products, I can just buy them plain, like fragrance free, and then just add essential oils to them for whatever scent I want. Additionally, because these are high quality, thoroughly tested essential oils, they are also able to support my wellness in a variety of areas. So that was another consideration for me wanting to get started with them and to purchase them. So like muscle tension, digestion, respiratory, like sniffles and stuffiness, emotions and nervous energy, skin, rest, sleep, hair growth support, immune health, cellular support, energy, and focus. Some of the oils in that bundle can also be used internally as indicated by the word vitality on the label. So for those oils, I have used them to help me flavor muffins like lemon blueberry muffins and mint chocolate chip date bars and brownies, and even making Thieves cinnamon apple tea. So just getting this one product helped me switch over many products. I like this because it was simple, it saved me a lot of money, and it helped me make these switches sustainable. Young Living essential oils are very concentrated, so a little goes a long way. All of this took some time for me to learn, but it was fun, and I still have a lot of fun with it. I learned something new about these essential oils every single day. I'm always in constant amazement of them. And I will say that when it comes to essential oils, education, resources, and community are really important. I never would have known about all of this if I didn't have that. So since essential oils have been so helpful for me, I like to pay that forward and share that same info with others. So the resources that I have access to are also available to you when you grab them using my link. And then you also get some one-on-one support with me as well. Next is my household cleaner. I use the Thieves household cleaner. This is an all-purpose cleaner, and it has helped me ditch so many cleaners that used to live underneath my sink. I use this to clean my floors, carpets, windows, countertops, oven, sink, toilet, cabinets, shower, stained clothes, jewelry, tech, like the computer keyboard and the mouse. What I'll do is just like spray it on a cloth or paper towel first and then just wipe it down. Also exercise equipment, yoga mats, tile, stovetop, mirrors, walls, and appliances. This product is another money-saving product for me. For one, I just need this. I don't need all different cleaners, and it's highly concentrated. So one bottle makes 28 16-ounce spray bottles, which makes each one cost less than $1, which I would say is very affordable. It lasts for months and months, and I think I buy like one, maybe two a year. Next are more household products. Because I love the Thieves Cleaner so much, I decided to try the other Thieves products that Young Living has. And I love them all, so I continue to restock them till today. So they work really well, and I like that they are concentrated because it means that it's gonna last me a long time, so I don't have to restock it that frequently. So that's gonna include dish soap, which also makes a great like all natural stain remover. I also use the laundry detergent, the dishwasher tablets, the foaming hand soap, the kitchen and bath scrub, the fruit and veggie soak, the hand sanitizer, and the multi-purpose wipes. For skincare, I use the Thieves Cleansing Bar Soap in the shower or the tub. I love the lavender and stress away bath bombs when I am taking a bath. For facial scrubs, I use the Satin Mint Facial Scrub. For a face mask, I like the charcoal face mask. I have two facial cleansers that I love. I'm currently using the Scene Facial Cleanser. Before this, I used Young Living's Balance Cleanser, which is good for oily, blemish-prone skin. It was my favorite, but they were out of stock for a long time, so then I switched to the one from Scene. But I just checked and they restocked it, which I am really, really happy about. That being said, each of these cleansers have worked really well for me. The Young Living one smells really good because they have their essential oils in there. The Scene cleanser is fragrance-free, so it doesn't have any scent, which is fine for me. I'm okay with that. I would rather have a product be no scent than have an artificial scent. For my facial serum, I make my own, which is very cost effective for me in the long run. In here, I use rosehip oil and frankincense and blue tansy essential oils. That's it. These oils have completely transformed my skin. And then I like to use this brightening eye cream for dark circles under my eyes. And then I love the lavender hand and body lotion for moisturizing my skin. For facial sunscreen, I have been loving this mineral sunscreen from Pipette. I hope I'm saying that right. It's made for babies, but adults can use it too, and I am. I love it because it wears really well underneath my makeup. My skin doesn't feel sticky. It's easy to wash off at the end of the day. And despite the fact that it's a mineral-based sunscreen, it doesn't leave my skin with like this white residual color on it. I also saw online that they make it in a spray, which I'm really excited about because I definitely want that for the summer for ease of application by the pool and the beach. My other summer must-haves are the Deep Free Insect Repellent and the After Sun Spray to give your skin some much-needed TLC. For makeup, I mostly use Merit Beauty, but I do like the eyeliner, crayon, and eyeshadows from Ilia Beauty. I have my everyday makeup tutorial filmed, and it's still up to date, so I will link that below. And for fragrance, like I said earlier, I love using essential oils for this, so Valor, Stress Away, and Pink Champagne essential oil blends are my favorites and go-tos, but in the last year, Wild Notes, which is a sister company to Young Living, came out with all natural, non-toxic fine fragrances, and they use Young Living's essential oils to create them, which is really exciting. I absolutely love all of their scents. My go-to is Smoky Ember. They also have Timeless Floral, Fireside Citrus, Rugged Wilderness, and Sweet Decadence. You can grab their discovery set to find out which one you like the best. They also have a His and Her scent collection that came out over the holidays, which is called White Lie and Black Book. Everything smells amazing. For hair care, I use the Scene fragrance-free hair products. I struggle with acne, and I learned that the products that I was using were contributing to that acne. So I have since then switched over to Scene and have never looked back. I use their shampoo, conditioner, blowout cream, and magic serum. I get the hair results that I want with clean products and healthier skin. Now, let's move on to the kitchen and talk cookware and bakeware. Cast iron is non-toxic, and if it's seasoned well, it is also nonstick. It is affordable and very versatile. You can use it on the stovetop and also in the oven. You can go camping with it and use it over a fire. So cast iron is great. I also love stainless steel, ceramic, and enameled cast iron. I have a combination of all three of them. I got my cast iron pan from the Walmart camping section. Just like a little pro tip, it was actually cheaper than the ones in the cookware section. My Dutch oven is from Amazon. The stainless steel ones that I have were a gift from my grandma, and they are all clad. And then the ceramic ones that I have are from Caraway Home. I love cast iron and stainless steel, but sometimes it is just really nice to have ceramic. You don't need to use much grease and nothing sticks to it. It's awesome. Okay, so those are the non-toxic products that I have in my home and use every day. I have other videos on my channel that go into more detail on some of these products, so I will link those videos in the description. I will also have the products that I mentioned in this video linked in the description box, and I have discount codes listed for some of them as well. And that's a wrap on today's video. Thank you for watching. I hope that this video helps you learn more about non-toxic products and helps you lessen decision fatigue. These are the products that I use every day and they really work well. I have used several of them for many years now and I love using them. Let me know if you have any questions on the products that I've shared, and I would also love to hear what you want your first non-toxic swap or your next non-toxic swap to be. So leave a comment down below, and until next time, stay well, my friends. Bye.